Okay guys, and welcome back to my channel. All 2023 Corolla hybrid model gain a more powerful Toyota hybrid system. As before, the system pairs a 1.8-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder gas engine with two motor generators through a planetary type continuously variable transmission. All 2023 Corolla model gain next generation Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, next generation Toyota Audio Multimedia, and are topped off with updated front and rear styling. The 2023 Corolla Hybrid now offers the option of all-wheel drive, but this is all-wheel drive with a big advantage. Instead of transfer gear and a drive shaft to the rear wheel, electronic on-demand all-wheel drive employs a spare rear-mounted electric motor to power the rear wheel when needed. On 2023 Corolla sedan, new front fascia styling varies across grade, and all receive LED daytime driving light or DRL, with the SE and XSE grade also featuring redesigned LED headlights. The sporty SE and XSE get an all-new rear sport diffuser and a feature new 18-inch gloss graphite color alloy wheels. The 2023 Corolla comes equipped with a standard next generation 8-in Toyota multimedia system with a new available Drive Connect. Driver and passenger have access to intelligent assist, cloud navigation, and destination assist. New Toyota multimedia allow for dual Bluetooth phone connectivity and support standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. For those looking for an enhanced audio experience, a JBL premium audio system with 9 speakers including an 800-watt amplifier and 10-inch subwoofer is standard. Okay guys, what do you think about 2023 Toyota Corolla Hybrid? Please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.